Hello everybody. I just wanted to pop in this afternoon. I've gotten some fun happy mail and I wanted to pop in and show it to you and just that. I got 2 packages this last week and girls, I'm really sorry. I've just been so sick. Getting videos up is just not been happening very well. So I do apologize because they came several days ago and I should have done this already. But I want to thank you both. This is from Dawn and from Dani Coleman. And I'm in a Painty paper swap with Aunt Beck's Creations. And so, and look at these fun little birds. Aren't they cute? There's another one on the front, but I don't want to show you that. So anyways, Dawn sent the Painty paper swap is with Aunt Beck's Creations group, and this is just the coolest thing. And I know Dawn, oh, this is tied. I wonder if they'll open. Okay, I may undo that. Oh, she's made it so I can undo it without any problems. She tied it into a cute little signature. So that's one of the things that Becky from Aunt Beck's Creations is going to do. She's going to make a scribble journal like Mary Dell Abrams. Anyways, I wanted to show you Dawn's really fun, pretty papers. And Dawn, thank you so much. And your package went out, oh, day before yesterday, I think. So you should be getting it pretty soon. It took me a while to get enough papers. So, isn't that fun? Look at this fun design she's got around the edge. Oh, cute. Oh, there's a little face. There's little eyeballs. I don't know if you can see that. I love these little edges, Dawn. Oh, and there's a to-do list and another little guy. Oh, this one's got some gold. Oh, they're so pretty. Thank you, Dawn. This is heavier paper too. I don't know exactly what it is, but it's really nice. Oh, this one. Look at the colors shift in this one. That is really pretty with the purples and blues. Oh, and there's more little check boxes. This must be a little stamp that she's put on there so that you can check off like a to-do list. Oh, cute little bird. This one is what is that stuff? I don't have any of this. Modeling paste, it looks like, put through a stencil. And then there's little gold dots. It looks like she's put those in. That's really pretty. Thank you. And then somebody else had a piece like this too. She made like a little folded page with journal spots on it. So it's like a little journal within a journal. So thank you, Dawn. And then this one's from Dani Coleman. And guys, I hope I pronounced your names right. I'm sorry if I didn't. And it's got kitty cats on it. Oh. Oh, this is fun. That looks like it might be combed. I don't know if this is paste paper or from the jelly plate, but it's really cool. And this one's got some numbers. It looks like it came from, ooh, look at that. There's a lot of stenciling on this one. This one's got stenciling too. So pretty. This must be another stencil. It's got circles of dots, and then there's this really fun. Oh, this one is really neat too. It looks like it might have been a ghost print. Or maybe where the stencil picked up some ink, and then there's more stenciling on the edges. Oh, that one it's vibrant. It's so pretty. I don't know. Yeah, the colors look pretty decent on my monitor, so hopefully you guys can see it. I like this. It's got like a pyramid kind of shape, or a V in the... Oh, look. This one's kind of metallic or pearlescent. I'm not sure. Dani, these are beautiful. Thank you. This one may have been a pull off of the jelly plate. I'm not sure. It kind of looks like it. And that's lots of rings. And bubble wrap. I can see the bubble wrap design. Oh, that's pretty. This looks like lace. Anyways, those are from Dani Coleman, and the others were from Dawn Andrus. And I want to thank you both for these beautiful papers. And like I said, both of your packages went out earlier this week. I'm really sorry that I didn't get around and say thank you until now. It's just been one of those months, I think. So you guys have a great day, and I hope you like my videos. And if you do, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please do subscribe. And go have some fun and make some art.